Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on the SOL Harbour development in Ocho Rios. This development is where they're building two 7-story towers in Ocho Rios. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this. And before we do, I just want to let you know this development is sold out. It's a 152 units and they are all sold out. Alright guys, we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this development. SOL Harbour is a bold and modern residential development that is reshaping the skyline and real estate market of Ocho Rios, one of Jamaica's most iconic resort towns. Developed by Proven Properties Limited, a subsidiary of the Proven Group, SOL Harbour is being positioned as a landmark project that blends luxury, convenience, and investment potential. As Jamaica's real estate sector continues to evolve, this development reflects the country's shift toward upscale vertical living in tourism-driven regions. Located on Cascade Way, just minutes from downtown Ocho Rios, and its world-renowned attractions such as Dunn's River Falls, SOL Harbour is made up of two sleek 7-story towers offering 152 condominium units. These include 140 studio apartments and 12 two-bedroom units, with floor spaces starting at 620 square feet. With pre-construction prices ranging from US $206,000 to $265,000, the development targets both returning residents seeking a secure upscale lifestyle and investors interested in Jamaica's buoyant short-term rental market. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.